This is Caesarea. Here they have crystal clear water, stunning beaches, and a whole bunch of history. This little historic town is located about 60 kilometers from Tel Aviv, and during the Persian rule, the Phoenicians built a settlement on the shoreline of one of the bays. During the Byzantine period, the city flourished and extended over 400 acres. Following the conquest in AD 640, Caesarea lost its political and economic significance, which resulted in most of the citizens leaving the city, and it became into this, an outdoor museum. Though many years have passed since the beginning of this town, Caesarea is still kept in a well-preserved condition. This national park consists of 17 main archaeological attractions like this theater. This is the most ancient theater found in Israel. Built in Herod's time, it continued to be in use for hundreds of years thereafter. It can accommodate over 4,000 spectators, and the orchestra area was decorated with a marble-like plaster. Caesarea was also an important city that was mentioned in the New Testament. Paul was in prison here before being sent to Rome for trial. In Caesarea, there's also a huge U-shaped entertainment structure that was used for horse racing, sports events, and entertainment shows during the Roman period. Here in Caesarea, there are many other historical archaeological finds, like the Roman bathhouse, ruins of a Byzantine synagogue, and a whole historic village. This village has a few tourist shops, more historical buildings, and high-end restaurants with a view of the blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Caesarea is one of the main attractions in Israel, and after visiting this town for a few hours, there's no doubt about it. Travel because it's definitely worth it.